Today's June 13th. This is update number 5, and they a construction update. They doing the foundation, so they making progress. So I think the new ride might be open by the 4th, maybe third weekend in July. Might be ready. But they building this quick now. Foundation's doing good. Looking good, looking good. New ride. Can't wait. Ride looking good. Foundation is they doing foundation. Foundation looks good. But they still got more work to do. They put the cement down, make the keel, probably do the landscaping, put the tents on the cabanas, and after that they got to put the ride together. So, not bad. Give this about probably July 4th. That's about maybe like probably 3 weeks away. If not, maybe the second, third week of July might be done. But looks good. Looks good. Good progress, good progress. So, hey, not bad. Not bad. Not bad. So, this is a construction update on the new ride. Next week, I'll have another update for y'all. So, y'all need any questions, answer, I definitely gonna answer for y'all. But they got more work to do. They still have to pour more cement down. So if y'all new to the channel, subscribe. See you guys in the next update.